Hello and welcome to H&L Classics. Today we are sharing with you one of our personal vehicles available for sale pretty soon. This is our very own 1995 Mercedes-Benz S320 Long Wheelbase W140 series. This is a car that we've been having for several years now, and I'm going to show you around and that all of the features work as well. So if you're interested to take a look at the car, but if you don't have time to drop by our place, hopefully this video is helpful for you to see how it works, right? Now this car, when we bought it, was originally in silver, but when we checked the build sheets or the factory records for the car, it was available in two-tone black over silver matte finish. This is solid black 040, very deep shine to the paint, as you can see here, and we tried to keep the car as original as practical as we can. So this is the exterior. All of the wheels come with the standard 8-hole Alamak rims, and we've not modified much of the exterior on this car. All of the soft closing doors work. The trunk as well pops open quietly there. It's a bit of a mess on the inside, but that will be cleaned up when we hand over the car, not to worry. So being a 1995 model, this does come with the amber facelifted lights, and we have replaced this as well because they tend to get moldy rather easily with age. Coming to this door, works as well, and this one. So as you can tell, there are no leaks in the system. It closes really tightly with no issues at all. Usually the vacuum system works for a bit and it stops after a while, and you have to reset the fuses, and that is largely because of a leak in the system. So I can assure you that none of that is the case for this car. Now let's hop on in, and it starts off. Let me turn the key. Alright. So it comes with about 253,000 kilometers done. This car has been driven for quite a bit. Just close the door. Alright. Central locking all works. So does the rear headrest. And the rear sunshade. The sun visors do work. These tend to get brittle over time, so it does creak a bit, as you can see. This one as well. So still solid, but with aging plastics, it always has to be handled with care. Now, the mirrors work also. And just fold them in. Fold them out. So the cruise control on this car works, although I can't demonstrate it right now. The aircon has been serviced, blasting nice cold air. Blower is pretty powerful. Radio works. This radio comes pre-installed with Bluetooth, so you can pair your Spotify with that if you so wish. And let me demonstrate all the exterior lighting right now to show you that it's all in order. Rear lights, rear fog light, all there. Now let's take you into the back. The rear seat recline works here. Now this is full upright. It's reclining to the back. Whole thing moves. And this does come with the very rare optional accessory of rear footrests. So we managed to procure this for this car. It comes with it, both on the left and right side. And we've also upgraded this car with the S600 trims, as you can see on the B pillar over there, as well as the wood trim ashtray, as well as the wood trim ashtray doors, which is still in good shape. So all of the power windows work, and I'll demonstrate for you here. Let's show you the front power windows and the front power seats. Okay, these power seats are 12-way power seats. All the adjustments work. And even the headrest as well. Show you the power windows. And on the driver's side here. So as you can see, the car has been running for quite a while. This is where the oil pressure and engine temperature goes. It runs pretty cool, and it is 30 degrees out today, rather hot in Kuala Lumpur, which is normal for 9:45 a.m. in the morning. So because this car doesn't come with memory seats, it has got the manual steering wheel height and tilt telescopic adjustment over here. It's got the vacuum operated headlight dipping switch, which does work as well. This car does come with the original keys, and I'm going to show you how it drives. Just start it up. Alright, now shifting into drive and unleashing the parking brake, and let's take it for a very short spin around the car park. Accelerates well and brakes well, as you can see. right, and that's where the car stands. Shooting back into park, putting back the brakes, and there you have it. Now let me show you around the engine bay as well. Let me just try to open this with one hand. No, I can't. I've got to put this down for the time being. Alright. So this comes with the M104 3.2 litre straight 6 engine. As you can see, the engine bay is clean. It's got the original VIN plates and stickers in the engine bay. All the panels on the engine are accounted for, and the original hood installation is still in place. Alright, so if you have any questions on this car, please don't hesitate to contact us, and we look forward to a new owner for this wonderful W140 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. With that, thank you for watching our video, and we hope to see you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.